Every day, workers lift, carry, push, and pull materials without thinking twice. But one wrong move can lead to a lifetime of pain. Back injuries, muscle tears, crushed fingers, and spinal damage often happen in seconds, yet the effects can last forever. Material handling may seem like a routine task, but it is one of the leading causes of workplace injuries worldwide. And most accidents happen because of small mistakes people think are harmless. One of the biggest mistakes is lifting with your back instead of your legs. When workers bend incorrectly or twist while carrying weight, the pressure on the spine increases dramatically. Another common problem is carrying loads that are too heavy. Many workers avoid asking for help because they want to save time or appear strong, but overloading your body can permanently damage muscles and joints. Poor visibility is another hidden danger. If a load blocks your view, you could trip, fall, or collide with equipment or co-workers. Rushing is also a major cause of injuries. Trying to move materials too quickly often leads to slips, dropped objects, and loss of control. And do not forget improper storage. Stacked materials that are unstable can collapse unexpectedly, causing serious crushing injuries. The safest approach is simple. Lift correctly, use mechanical aids when possible, wear proper protective equipment, and never rush a task. A few extra seconds of caution can prevent years of suffering. Work smart, lift safely, protect your future, because one careless move today can become a lifelong injury tomorrow.